Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangled just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching!
Hi guys, thanks for checking out another TMhairproducts video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I style my daughter's hair. That is the smooth through detangler that we use to detangle her hair. She detangled her own hair. Yay, her! So her hair has been detangled. It has been shampooed, deep conditioned, and blow dried. So this is where we are now. Now we're going to style her hair. As you've seen, I parted off a horseshoe in the front. This is the Perfect Assist styling aid, and this is what I will be using to moisturize her hair. A lot of times you guys ask me, what do you use to keep their hair moisturized while it's in a protective style? Because a lot of times in my videos, you guys see what their hair look like when I take their previous protective style out. Well, this is what I use. This is all that I use. I don't use any other products. The Smooth Through Detangler, Perfect Assist styling aid. Now, shampoo, the Smooth Through Detangler can be used as a co-wash to cleanse the hair. But you can use a shampoo of your choice. We recommend moisturizing shampoos if you want to shampoo your hair. Now, as it relates to moisturizing and styling, I use the Perfect Assist styling aid. It is white. However, it does absorb into the hair. It melts into the hair and it won't be white anymore. Now, I'm just braiding her hair up. This is what keeps her hair moisturized when it is in a protective style or when I style it, two-strand, twisted, whatever. I use this Perfect Assist styling aid on every style except for silk pressing. Every style you've seen on my channel except for silk pressing, I use it as I just had a brain fart. I'm sorry. I use it as a setting lotion. That's what I was looking for. I use it for everything. So this is the style. I braided her hair up, braided the top back, and added the crochet braids. If you have not seen one of my crochet braid videos, I will link it in the description of how I attach the crochet braids. But this is a quick, cute, protective style. Very age appropriate. Y'all know I'm big on age appropriate hairstyles. So if you have not done so, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, share on your social media. If you have any questions, guys, leave them in the comments below, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.
and that's a wrap.
good job.